This video will provide an overview of managing team members. To get started, navigate to Teams, Manage Members, and make sure you're in the desired team. To add a team member, click here. Enter their email address, then enter their contact information, rights, publicity, and nomination settings. You can also upload a list of team members by clicking here. This module will guide you on how to download, fill out, and import your template. Below, you can view and adjust team member settings. Select actions to edit or delete. Status indicates that a member is active in your team. You can grant access rights for admin, manage members, manage funds, access team gift reports, or change team settings. You can also control the member's ability to make or receive nominations. Publicity settings allow you to control what is visible to members in the dashboard within the recent activity feed. Use the Apply to All or Apply to Selected function to apply the same settings to multiple members. You can also export this data by using the button in the upper right-hand corner. Interested in learning more? Click the chat bubble to access our Help Center or contact us anytime. Mucho gusto!